What's up, guys? And today we are going to tour. I'm going to tour my gardens in Grow a Garden. So recently, a few hours ago, I just posted the build a tower. Yes, I literally posted a build a tower video. So yeah, today we're just going to like explore my gardens in like some ways. Hold on. What is that? Okay. Let's just buy some eggs real quick. I don't really know what are the chances of eggs, but you can check it. Ugh. Okay, this is my prismatic only garden, which is, yeah, pretty weird. Just wait until you see the back of it. You will be so, you may be so shocked. But look at that elder strawberry. Yeah, that's the biggest elder strawberry I ever seen on Grow Garden. And this is the smallest burning bud I ever saw in my life. Okay, I have great pumpkins. So this is maybe not prismatic only gardens, but some of them are rarer than prismatics. Dude, what do you want? Let's just check if he is even not even close, man. Let's just give him an elder strawberry, beanstalk, sugar apple. Wait, where is it? Okay. I feel like getting scammed though. There, finally. Dude, are you giving me like 0.000000000.1? Oh, never mind. Go accept it, man. Just do it. Dude, wasting my time. Okay, bro, changed his mind again. Dude, just accept it. You just wasted like, ouch, like a minute of my vlog. Did I literally just... Okay, I'm so dumb. Anyway. Finally! After 10 billion years. Like I said, you're going to be shocked on the back of them. Just look at this mangrove. Yeah, this is the this is actually the biggest mangrove I ever seen. I think I beat the world record for this though. And the mangroves are pretty big. Yeah. This Romanesco is big, man. I want to give it mutations. I have ones. Nope. Are there any seeds? I can just watch a little ad to restock this. I actually got a sunflower seed, which is on my other gardens. So, let's just hope we actually are on the right garden. I'm gonna go on save slot 2. Yes, I got 3 save slots for now. Maybe I will have more in the future. I have one SX, which I traded for my griffin. I have three more griffins now. I don't know how I misspelled that. And yes, the sunflower is actually here. I got it from the last 2 days. I'm better with my schoolmate. I'm not kidding. Just show me. Okay, I'm not oh, look at that. That's the sunflower. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, what's this? Anyway. Is it here? Okay, let's just wait. Golden peach, grape, mushroom, pepper, princess toy, and sunflower. Don't even try to talk to me again, man. But they won't. Okay, finally. Let me offer him as a stupid fruit. Hold on, why can't I... Dude, I cannot... Okay, just decline it. Average growth time. Source. Harvest. Flower, fall, leafy, stalky, and summer. What does this guy want though? Let's actually sell my sunflower. I want to sell this. There we go. So here is my burning buds, which isn't the most expensive burning bud that I have. And yeah, I have some coins, some coconuts. I don't really know why, but I used 10 grandmasters just for coins. But giant ones, not a small ones. So let's just proceed to my next garden. Oh my god. 8, 7, 6. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. It will be oh thankfully the 6 didn't even come. And I need to wait? For how long? It could be a century. Like a century. A literal century. Okay, this is my first garden. And just wait. Oh, what's this guy doing? Just wait until you see my burning bud and my princess thorn. So look at that. It's just a 43 billion. And for some reason, okay, it actually appeared now. But this is not the most expensive burning bud. It is this one. I don't know how it didn't get this commentation. Though this is my most expensive plant ever in Grow Garden. It's more expensive than my sugar apple, which you maybe don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's pretty expensive and all that. And this, I'm not gonna lie, this garden is kind of a mess. Huh? I got Evo blueberries too. Yeah, there are so many mutations on my plants. Look at those daffodils. It's going crazy. This is actually cactus. There's a lot of cactuses in here. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And like I said in the last video, if you want me to upload more videos, just subscribe. If I hit 1K, I will upload every week. So bye bye.